Coming back to the title of widow, I think, the narrative has changed so much. To rediscover what am I actually here for now is a huge question.
In that, how do you have the conversation of a purpose with that kind of a person?
Let's be realistic. I mean, the first year I didn't leave my house.
Okay.
I was at home on the couch for a year.
Okay.
Some days I didn't get out of my pajamas. It's actually a miracle that my business survived. You need to be able to push yourself into uncomfortable environments.
Does it get to a point whereby you are doing too much and you feel like your body now wants to shut down?
I knew in my heart, even though I was grieved, that I had a bright future ahead of me because I know my personality. And I didn't want to hear other people's negativity.
Sure.
You have a choice.
Sure. That's
when your
deep.
partner dies, whether your dreams die with your partner or whether your dreams stay alive.